If you have been looking into AI agents for automating work, you have probably heard about Zapier agents. But is it actually useful in 2026? Or it is just another AI tool with a lot of hype? In this video, I'll quickly cover what Zapier agents are, the best features, the downsides, pricing, and whether it's worth using right now. And for now, let's get started. What is Zapier agent? Zapier introduced agents as an AI powered automation assistant that can perform tasks across apps automatically. And instead of manually building complicated workflows, you can simply describe what you want in plain English. For example, whenever I receive a customer email, summarize it, create a task in Notion, and send me a Slack message. The AI agent can then build and run the workflow for you. It combines AI with Zapier's huge automation ecosystem, which already supports thousands of apps like Gmail, Slack, Notion, Google Sheets, HubSpot, and more. Main features: natural language automation. This is the biggest feature. You do not need advanced technical knowledge anymore. You can describe workflows using simple prompts, and the agent creates automations automatically. This makes Zapier much easier for beginners compared to older automation tools. Massive app integrations. One of Zapier's biggest strengths is still its app library. It connects with thousands of services including Gmail, Slack, Notion, Trello, Airtable, Shopify, Google Workspace, CRM platforms, AI tools. If your business already uses several online tools, Zapier agents can connect almost all of them together. AI powered actions. The AI can also summarize emails, generate replies, extract data, classify information, create reports, trigger actions automatically. This saves a huge amount of repetitive work. Multi step workflows. Zapier agents can handle more advanced chains of actions instead of simple one step automations. For example, a lead fills out a form, AI analyzes the lead, creates a CRM entry, sends follow up email, notifies sales team. Everything happens automatically. Number 5, good for non technical users. This is probably the main reason people use it. You do not need coding skills, APIs, or complicated setup knowledge to automate many tasks. The interface is much more beginner friendly than before. Pros: easy to use. The AI based setup makes automation far less intimidating. Huge time saver. If you handle repetitive admin work, customer support, or content workflows, Zapier agents can save hours every week. Excellent integrations. Very few competitors offer as many integrations as Zapier. Great for businesses. Small businesses, creators, marketers, and remote teams can automate many daily tasks quickly. Cons: can get expensive. Pricing increases as you use more tasks and premium integrations. For heavy users, costs can grow pretty fast. AI is not always perfect. Sometimes the AI agent misunderstands prompts or creates workflows that need adjustments. You still need to review important automations carefully. Advanced workflows still need manual tweaks. While the AI helps a lot, advanced automation users may still need to edit workflows manually for better reliability. Learning curve for complex automation. Even though it's easier now, complex multi step systems can still become confusing for beginners. Pricing. Zapier offers both free and paid plans. The free version is enough for testing simple automations, but serious usage usually requires a paid subscription. Pricing mainly depends on number of tasks, premium apps, AI features, workflow complexity. For businesses, the paid plans can still be worth it if automation saves significant time. Who should use Zapier agents? Zapier agents are best for small business owners, content creators, marketing teams, freelancers, customer support teams, productivity focused users. If you constantly switch between apps and repeat the same tasks every day, this tool can be extremely useful. Final verdict and conclusion. So, is Zapier agent worth using in 2026? For most people, yes. The combination of AI plus automation makes Zapier much easier and more powerful than traditional workflow tools. It's especially good for people who want automation without learning coding or advanced technical setups. However, pricing can become expensive and AI generated workflows still need supervision. But overall, Zapier agents remain one of the best AI automation platforms available right now. And that is it for this Zapier agent review. If this video helped you out, please do not forget to support us with like, consider subscribing. For more quick software reviews and comparisons, turn on the bell icon, share this video to your friends, And tell me down below in the comments, have you tried Zapier Agent before or not? Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.